Hi, this is Miss Buddies101, and today I'm going to be doing face painting. Just going for something simple, like I'm gonna turn this eye into a flower, and then the rest of my face is gonna be neutral. So, see how it turns out. Sorry I haven't been able to upload, it's just school has started again, and then there's my moo in the background. And yeah, so we'll see how it goes. Hi, this is Miss Buddies101. Sorry I'm not able to do that much talking in this video. Another reason why I've been looking a little mad throughout the video is because this past week and a half I've been going through a lot of drama, all because of one guy. I'm going to explain in a different video what happened and how to handle this type of situation, so please bear with me. Other than that, sorry, couldn't really talk in this video that much. I've just been holding up a whole bunch of stress up in here and up in here. It's really hard going to school with that much stress. It's already bad enough I get out really late from school, and then having, on top of that, to deal with this drama, it's not okay. Alright, well anyways, I really hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you, have a good day.